Hello everyone. I'm so glad you've joined me today for another masculine card idea. I hope you've checked out Vicky's ideas. Today I am going to be focusing on the Delightfully Eclectic Designer Series paper, specifically this blue plaid, great for a masculine card. I am pairing it with the Trucking Along bundle. I'm going to use just this image for the truck, but I'm also pulling in this image and the trees. All right. I have the punch that matches it. I'm using the wavy circle die. I'm using a 2.5-inch circle punch. If you don't have the 2.5, you can use your circle dies. My inks are Night of Navy and Memento Black. And I'm also using Garden Green marker and Pecan Pie markers. Now, for the card, you're going to need a piece of white that's 5.5 by 8.5, scored at 4 1/4. You need a piece of that DSP that's 1.5 by 5.5. And you need a scrap of white, a scrap of Night of Navy, and a scrap of Balmy Blue. So we're going to get started. If you are going to play along with me, take your snapshot, cut your paper, and join me. All right, first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take my wavy punch die, and I'm going to punch out the wavy circle. All right. Then I'm going to take my 2.5-inch circle punch and that scrap of Night of Navy, and I barely get this in here, and I'm going to punch out my Night of Navy circle. All right. On my piece of Balmy Blue, I'm going to take that truck and my Night of Navy ink, and I am going to stamp my truck. All right, like so. All right, gonna have a blue truck. Then I'm going to take my Memento and the wheels. I'm going to ink it up, and I'm going to stamp this on here. Now you have to kind of get this lined up before you go down, and I'm off a little. Yeah, I'm off a little, but if it bothers you, pull out a marker. So that might be something you want to use your stamping platform for. I'm going to take the punch and I'm going to punch that out. There we go. Boy, that was hard. New punches are always hard, so got that. Pulling in my trees and my wavy circle, there it was, hiding underneath. All right, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a scrap of paper and my wavy circle, and I'm going to turn it sideways only because I'm going to take a Post-it note, and I am going to, oh, not straight. Maybe I shouldn't turn it sideways. All right, let me do this, and then I can, that's better. All right, and my Memento ink and a blending brush. Now I'm going to turn it sideways, and I'm going to come in and I'm going to add some ink. What I'm doing is I'm creating a road so that that truck is traveling on it. All right, let me get rid of that. Take this off. Pull that off. There we go. All right, now, before I go too far, I'm going to take my tree outline and my pumpkin pie, oh my gosh, pecan pie. And I'm going to color in the tree trunk. And then I'm going to take the garden green marker and I'm going to color in the top of the tree. Make sure you get those pieces that are down near the, and I'm going to stamp one right there, and I'm a little high, so you know what? You take the other tip of your marker and you draw your lines in. All right, I'm going to take my garden green marker, and only because I forgot to bring my pad, and I'm going to stamp it right on top of the tree so we have some nice definition. All right, there we go. I'm only adding one tree because I think two trees would look funny. We'll see. All right, this is going to get layered on here, and this is going to go on like so. Yeah, that would look a little odd, so I'm just not going to do it. All right, let me add this to here. All right, I'm going to center it as best I can with a wavy circle. It might be off some. There we go. Good. Now I'm going to take my card base and I'm going to fold and varnish it. All right. And I'm going to take my strip of DSP and I'm going to add it to the side. All right. Like so. And I'm leaving about 1/4 of an inch from the edge. This is going to go on with dimensionals because if you don't, it just kind of is flat and kind of lost. So I'm going to add some dimensionals on the back. And I need my pokey tool. This is going to go on here like so. And then this is going to go on with dimensionals also. So let me cut a few of those. And I need some gems. Wonder what gems I have I can pull to use. I will have to look. Can't be too blingy. Not blingy for a guy. Ooh, you know what I have? I have some of the metallic dots. I'll have to see which ones work and use those. All right, now, when you put your truck on, you don't want it up here. You want it down here because then it looks like it's on the road. All right, so there's my truck. Let me get my dots. Okay, I have 2 that I could use, so I thought I would interview both of them to see which one I like better. There's the rustic metallic, and here's the brushed metallic. Okay, the bottom is open. I'm going to pull it out. I kind of like the copper ones. I think I'm going to use the copper ones. All right, so let me grab my take your pick tool and get my dots off of here. There's one. There's one. And there's one. And then I thought, as I was looking for my dots, I thought, oh, let me take the wink of Stella and do the windows so it looks shiny. So there it is, quick and easy masculine card idea. You can add a sentiment down here. I think I'm probably going to put hello on here. Now, if you want to see the finished card, I am posting the picture on my blog, creationsandpaper.com. And the link will be below. I always put the link to the blog post so you can find it. And you'll see what it looks like completed. Thanks for watching. I'm so excited to share ideas with you. If you're new to my channel and you have not subscribed, I would love it if you would hit the subscribe button below. After you hit the subscribe button, if you want to be notified when I upload a video, click the bell. Make sure you check out Vicky's idea. I'm quite certain she's come up with a cute one. Have a great day. Bye.